So let's go ahead and start talking about what we're going to build today here. And let's go to agents here. Let's go to the README here. No, let's go to the agents here. Agents, and let's add a README here. Um, Agents, AI agents. Okay, build list. I want to build a bunch of these. So first today I want to do the Solana copy trading agent. Okay. I also want to build the sentiment agent. Sentiment agent. Okay. Those are going to work together actually. Sentiment agent. I want to build the RBI agent. I want to build the, let's start there. That's fine. Coding. So copy trading agent. Step one is to get the copy bot live again. Update the call to be from api.moondev.com to save a ton of time and be able to execute copy bot way faster, and then build out agent in order to view that API call. So what I'm doing here is, okay, so I had a copy bot running for a while, and honestly didn't do that great. It did really well as a scanner. I mean, essentially I was able to pull a ungodly amount of alpha from it from seeing what it was copying. But the overall, just like, hey, copy everybody. Not everybody, but there's 777 wallets I'm picking from. That process, not my favorite. But the same thing happened with the sniper. So the sniper was the same thing. It's like the sniper, it turned $200 into like $800. It got up to 2,000 at one point. I just don't love the game of 98% of these are gonna lose when you're putting money behind it. I understand that game for backtesting and whatnot, and I like it because it's free. But I don't know, dude. Maybe I'm just scared. Maybe I'm just scared. So maybe I need to up the size. And either way, I'm building both of these agents to replicate what I did last year. Because last year worked really well, and I missed a lot of things that I could have executed on if I was just here at the computer at all times, essentially. So, yeah, dude, we'll see how this year goes, and I will have a final test here in 2026. Maybe I'll make that my final thesis here, my little YouTube, my final paper. I'll write a paper in 2026. AI agents versus Moon Dev. Moon Dev's agents versus, so humans versus agents in trading. So I'm gonna work on that. Let's go to the README here. Vision, detailed disclaimer. Okay, so what I want to say here is this hypothesis? Um, hypothesis. AI agents will be able to build a better quant portfolio than humans. I've spent the last 4 years building quant systems, and 2025 it is about replicating that success, but with agents, AI agents orchestrated, doing everything instead of me. By on Jan 1, 2026, I will release a paper of my findings after a full year of testing AI agents in quant versus the last 4 years of humans. Building quant systems and training others to do so. 2025 is about replicating that success. But with AI agents doing it instead of me. On Jan 1, 2026, I will release a paper of my findings. After a full year of testing AI agents in quant versus the last 4 years of humans. All right, that's it. I think that's fire, dude. Git add read me.md. Okay. Git commit this is your starting. This is where you get started. Let's see if I can remember all this. Git push main origin. Git push origin main. Okay, dude. So all of this code should be up there here, and let's just make sure it got up there here. Okay, this is where you get started. I just updated this now, so as I'm live, dude. I'm live, and I'm updating live. I'm shipping in production. I just yap, ship, dude. That's all I do. So you can see the new update to the README here. Okay, so this is the vision. The hypothesis is this. The hypothesis is this: AI agents will be able to build a better quant portfolio than humans. Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit, bitch. This is my life. I spent the last 4 years building quant systems and training others to do so. 2025 is about replicating that success, but with AI agents doing it instead of me. On Jan 1, 2026, I will release a paper of my findings after a full year of testing AI agents in quant versus the last 4 years of humans. That's it. AI agents might help address common trading challenges, emotional reactions, ego driven decisions, inconsistent execution, fatigue effects, impatience, fear, and greed cycles. Here are the video updates. So every day I'll make a video update so you understand everything. I'm not gonna build docs for now. These are the docs. These are the docs, dude. So lock in, and you can have all the code. So if you're sophisticated enough, you could just ask AI, dude. You could always go ask AI. All the code lives here in the source file. And you can see this is the main file that I ran at the start of this to run the bot. I can turn the agents on or off. We have 3 agents now, but it's literally day 3. So the plan is to create a new agent a day, and I'm just going to upload them here, which is fire, dude. We have the risk agent that monitors risk, the trading agent, which just uses very basic LLM prompts in order to trade, the strategy agent here that can use any strategy that you have. And I think that's the key differentiator between this. There's no in my mind, this like abundance for all and this whole prosperity for all is cap. That's very gonna be very hard to do. I think it's going to be abundance and prosperity to those that know how to run these agents, not these specifically. You can build your own agents. I don't care. I'm just trying to make this. I'm just trying to make this for myself and my family. I'm just trying to protect, myself and my family. I want to make sure that we are good. We are in control of the agents moving forward because AGI is here. Sam Altman just said that AGI is no problem. ASI, artificial super intelligence, is their new mission. So that's a little scary. The agents live in here, and then the strategies that will be custom strategies to you. Pretty sick. You can just put them in here and say private underscore, and nobody will ever see them. So you got to build your edge. Your agents will build your edge as well, and you're not going to want to share your edge when you do find an anomaly. Jim Simons, the best algorithmic trader ever, says there are plenty of anomalies that always keep occurring and keep popping up. So if you're vicious enough to attack this game, check out the roadmap, the resources, moondev.com here. You get roadmap, Discord, and GitHub access. So it's pretty fire.